everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's honestly been a while since I sat down and made a video, but I just wanted to give a little update that I will be continuing YouTube once school and work starts again. I appreciate everyone who's been so understanding and have checked up on me during this mental health break from YouTube. Since school is starting again, I thought it'd be a great idea to make a school related video. So I'll be sharing 10 of the most important tips that you'll need to succeed in online school. I honestly do not learn best at home. I don't do well with online school, but I hope you can apply these tips and good luck in school. The first tip I have is to fix your sleeping schedule. I know it's easier said than done, but if you know that you have an early class the next day, try sleeping earlier than you normally sleep. For example, if you have an 8 a.m., I normally would sleep for 11, or I would be in bed for 11 and try my best to fall asleep by then. But yeah, just do what you can to get as much sleep, because I know during school it's hard and you tend to lose a lot of sleep. The second tip I have is to use an agenda. It's customized, so I would just show you how it looks like on the inside. There's like goals that I could write. There's like personal, professional, family, and friends goals. So I just put like sticky notes there just in case I have readings to do and I need sticky notes to write stuff. I also have a calendar for the whole year, and each month I have something like this. So it would show your monthly focus, your special dates, top 3 things, goals for the month, other notes that you can write. So I just use an agenda that then helps me stay on top of every due date that I have. It's just great. Another tip is that I would try to find a quiet place to do your online school. I know that it's hard, especially when there's people home, so I totally understand. Yeah, things can just get hard, but I suggest like maybe doing online school at a desk in your room, or in your kitchen or living room, or wherever that you find comfortable, decently comfortable. I wouldn't suggest studying on a bed or doing online school in a bed, because you might fall asleep during your classes. Another tip is to bring everything you need to study. So bring whatever is necessary to study with you, and I would say to always be prepared, because you don't know like what textbook you need or notebooks or agenda. Like I've been doing online school in my kitchen. I have this island and that's where I normally do my online school. The 5th tip is to limit your distractions on social media. So I know that this is actually one of the hardest ones to do, because I'm also very guilty of doing this. Try to go on Instagram less, or just try to like focus in class if you know that there's something being taught that's important, because at the end of the day you don't want to miss something that's important. The 6th tip is one of the very important ones when you're studying, is that you have to kind of be in the right mindset to study. I don't know if I make any sense, but for example, if something's bothering you or something is upsetting you, whether that would be like from friends or family, or just whatever's going on that is distracting you from your study, I would say it makes it so much more difficult to study and retain information. You know, at the end of the day, that just results in frustration, and you just can't get anything in your head, and you know that you have to study for it. So I would say just when you want to study, just be in the right mindset for it. Another tip is to set a realistic goal and kind of work your mind towards it. So I would say prioritize what's more important and what's do first and just work on that. Don't multitask thinking that you can get things done. That might result in a bad mark at the end, no matter how good you are at multitasking. Another important ones that I always tell my friends and family who are going through just stress is to just take breaks. Take frequent breaks. This depends on your study flow and the task that you're doing, but it's recommended that you take a short break every hour or so and a longer break every couple hours, so maybe like 2 or 3 hours at least. And short break is like 5 to 10 minutes, and a longer break would be like half an hour, so 30 minutes. But yeah, take breaks, and like when you're taking a break, don't think of what you have to do. Actually take a break, like watch TV or go on your phone for a little bit, watch Netflix, just chill. Be in the mindset again when you do go back into studying. Next tip is, if you don't understand something or need clarification, just ask for help. I know that may be simple or that may be easier said than done, but just do it, because it's worth knowing and understanding what your task is before you do it than to just sit there and be confused, you know? Ask your friends first, and if they don't know, then ask your professor, your teacher. And last but not least, I would say come to class prepared. Before your class starts, review your notes and look at the lectures the night before, so or kind of know what's gonna happen in class. And that's basically it. I think these 10 tips will help you be more successful. But yeah, I wish you the best of luck in school, whatever grade you are in or year in post-secondary, and I can't wait to see what's in store for you guys. Anyways, that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you would like to see more back to school content or lifestyle content in general, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys!